Hello YouTube world, how are you all doing? It's evening time in my time zone. Welcome to my turn a buck per day to 2,000 per month with my Clickbank series. I wanted to welcome to my channel. And if this is your first time, could you please go back here and make sure you click on day one and start from there, because there under day one, I go ahead and I discuss how to sign up for Clickbank and my lead gen secrets and give you a lot of information. So if you wouldn't mind, go ahead and start from day one and work your way through the series. You can take your time and do it however long you would like to do that. And also, while you're on my page, you can just go to birdiesaffiliates.com. That'll take you to this page. You can look at my other series. I have the Turn 25 into Six Figures in Just a Few Months. That's my Home Business Academy series. You can take a look at that. And so if you click on one of my videos, any one of my videos, and you want to try to find the first video, all you got to do is you click on hit show more below my video, and you can click a buck per day, and that'll take you back to my YouTube series. And to join my lead gen secrets, you just click on this link right here, thousandsofleads.com. And if you're in need of an autoresponder, there's a get response link. And then if you have a link you want to advertise, you can set up make sure that you go to this link right here to set up your free traffic authority account. And after you do that, after you log in, make sure you order your traffic here. It's free. And I have my other two links here for Home Business Academy and Multiple Income Funnels. Those are the other programs that I am promoting. And make sure to go ahead and open up your document here. So this is the swipes that we've been sending each day. We are on day number 7 today. Here's day 6. I'm going to go ahead and copy this while we're here. So we will be on email number 7 today. So I got the document here. All right, I'm going to change things up a little bit today. So normally I would have you, and if you like, you can go ahead and log into your Clickbank. Make sure you click on your e-business and e-marketing. And when you get to this point right here, make sure you change your where it says rank high to low, go gravity high to low. So we've been advertising this live chat jobs, but today I'm going to change things up a little bit. I have a bunch of emails of mine that are my emails for write-app reviews, and I'm going to start posting some of those emails in that document for you all to use. They are very similar emails. You click on the affiliate page here to what's on the affiliate page, except they are obviously going to be considerably less used emails than what you're seeing right here, because I've changed these emails up a little bit. I think they have 20 emails in here for you to use, but we're going to use my emails at least for the next couple of days today. And so if you go ahead and we'll go back to your document, and this email will be in this document. I'm going to cut and paste one of my emails in here for you to use. So we got the subject line and then the body. And sometimes shorter emails work better than longer emails. This email is kind of short, so we're going to give this a shot. See how this works. And then I will put the hop link in here for you. Then all you have to do is go ahead and update your Clickbank ID, and I will do that here in a second. So we want to put the hop link right down here at the bottom. And so I'll just leave this as your Clickbank ID. That way you can just copy this. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and open up my lead gen secrets. You go to member login and log into your first account. Right here, you can, like I had mentioned before, you can go back and kind of see the performance of some of your previous emails and look for the good emails, because sometimes after a few weeks you can go back and try that email again. I've done it before and had some success doing that. And also, don't forget, if you decide to create one more account, make sure you copy this My Lead Gen Secrets right here, because that way you get credit as an affiliate. This is your affiliate link. So if anybody joins underneath you, you get commissions, and you also will start to get the bonus leads too, as soon as you sponsor somebody. But if you sponsor yourself with 2 or 3 accounts, so you're going to start getting those bonus leads. Plus, you're going to get commissions. You're going to start getting commissions. So that's a good thing to do. So then you click Create Message. Make sure you select all of your leads. And we're going to go back to our day. Actually, it should be day 7. Let me change that. I'm going to copy our subject. And we're going to copy all the way down to signature. All right. And then we're going to change the name to this code to the My Lead Gen Secrets code. Oops. And then sometimes it will put the font will be a little smaller, so we're going to make that bold, make it a little bit more bold of a font. And we're going to go ahead and put our name and what other information. Sometimes some people will put their contact information in here, which is actually a pretty good idea. And so I have an email here that I use for my business. And that way, if they have any questions, they can contact you. And so how I would handle that is I would go to namescheap.com. If you watch my video series, where's it at? My video series right here, turn 25 into 6 figures. If you go out to about video 6, or no, video, I can't remember, but it's video 4 or 5. I teach you how to go to namescheap.com and set up a forwarding URL. But you can also use those forwarding URLs as an email address. So you can make it, for example, like I have Dan at birdiesaffiliates.com. This birdiesaffiliates.com is I got that from namescheap.com. And so if you go up there and watch some of these videos, I teach you how to do that. I'm not exactly sure which video that is right now, but you can, in that way you can set up more of a professional email for a contact. And so let's see here. You can either leave it double spaced or make it single spaced. I'm just going to go ahead and leave this double spaced. And sometimes it's good to make them a little bit shorter emails, for that way they can read it on their phone. All right, so now we want to go ahead and where it says hit this blue line to apply, we'll put in our affiliate link. And then in the URL here, make sure where it says your Clickbank ID, you go ahead and delete that and put in your nickname. All right. Okay. And now it changes it to a blue color. So then you want to go and you want to make sure to read your email. I've already we had it in our document, so it did a spell check through Google. But sometimes it puts different things in there, like country and stuff, so sometimes the wording can be kind of funky. I've changed the wording of this one email up a little bit because spam folders will sometimes begin to put emails into spam folders if it's an email that's been sent a lot. So it's always a good thing to, I would even change the wording of this email up a little bit that you copy. Just change the wording around a little bit. Better chances of it not hitting the spam folder. It's always a good thing to do that. So this only has one, this email right here only has one spot to put your link in, it looks like, which is fine. And after it's good to go, you go ahead and hit preview just to make sure your link's working. I've talked about this in every video. Make sure that it's operating normally. So it looks like it's working. Paid app reviews. You close that. Make sure you click perfect timing, and then you hit send email. And then you want to go ahead and open up another My Lead Gen Secrets link, or open it up again. Make sure you log out, and then go into your next 1 or 2 accounts, or however many accounts you have. And then you just cut and paste over. Simple as that. Select all your leads. Oops. Didn't delete everything there. Copy our subject over. Alright, so our link should be good. We've already double checked it. And then you go ahead and hit send email. And that's that. So I'm going to be uploading email swipes from the Right App Reviews, which we just talked about right here. This one right here, Right App Reviews. So I'm going to be uploading, and there'll be different emails than what you'll find in these email swipes. So my email swipes are different than these email swipes. So there won't be quite as, these will be used quite a bit. The ones I have aren't used near as much as as these email swipes are here. And so that's it for today. Appreciate all of you watching. If you haven't done so already, I would appreciate it if you would go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And hopefully you all have a good evening, day, or morning, whatever time you are in as of the day. And we will see you on the next video.